Welcome back, friends, to Fred's Sustainable Gardening, where we grow our future one seed at a time. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting parts of gardening, starting seeds at home. It's fun, it's easy, and it's a great way to get a head start on your garden. Let's jump right in. To get started, here's what you'll need. Don't worry, it's not fancy or expensive. Light, you'll need an overhead light source, like a shop light, with fluorescent bulbs or LEDs. Heat mat, this keeps the soil warm for faster germination. Seeding medium, that's just a fancy term for the stuff seeds grow in. Use vermiculite, sterilized sand, peat moss, or a mix. Flatter container, any container will do, as long as it has drainage holes. Seeds, pick your favorite veggies, flowers, or herbs. Transparent, cover, plastic wrap, or a clear lid. Works great. Got all that? Great. Let's plant some seeds. First, think about timing. Check your seed packets. They'll tell you how many weeks before the last frost you should start planting indoors. Now fill your container with the seeding medium, leaving a little space at the top. Moisten it lightly before planting, kind of like dampening a sponge. Next, plant your seeds. The packet will tell you how deep to plant, but here's an easy rule. Bury them about twice as deep as the seed's diameter. Tiny seeds, barely cover them. Big seeds, a little deeper. Simple. Once planted, give the soil a light misting, cover the container with your transparent cover, and place it on the heat mat. Keep the temperature around 70 degrees Fahrenheit for most seeds. Then, put the container under your light source, keeping it about an inch above the seedlings as they grow. Check daily. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Once the seeds sprout, remove the cover to give them some breathing room. If your seedlings look tall and spindly like this, the light is too far away. Lower it to about an inch above the plants. And if they seem weak, your growing area might be too warm. Move them to a slightly cooler spot. When your seedlings have grown their first set of true leaves, those are the ones that look like real leaves, not the tiny ones that came first. They're ready for a new home. Here's how to transplant. Use containers with drainage holes, like plastic cells or peat pots. Gently lift the seedlings using a dibble stick or even a pencil. Hold them by their leaves, not the stem. Those stems are delicate. Plant them at the same depth they were growing before and water them well. Before you plant them outside, they need to toughen up. Start the hardening off process about a week before transplanting. Set them outside for a few hours each day, gradually increasing the time. This helps them get used to sunlight, wind, and cooler temperatures. When it's time to plant, pick an overcast day or late afternoon to give them a gentle start in the garden. Plant them in prepared soil. Firm it around the roots and give them a nice drink of water with a little liquid fertilizer mixed in. Final touches. For a little extra love, add a thin layer of mulch around your seedlings. It helps keep moisture in and weeds out. Watch them grow and thrive. Starting seeds at home is such a rewarding way to connect with your garden. You're not just growing plants, you're growing possibilities. Thanks for joining me on Fred's Sustainable Gardening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your seed starting success stories in the comments below. Until next time, grow your future, one seed at a time.